studying first year BPT in SNS College of Physiotherapy. First, I would like to thank our chairman, correspondent madam, technical director, principal and vice principal of SNS Management for giving me this wonderful and valuable opportunity. Now, I am going to present CLT, Center for Learning and Creativity. I have chosen the topic about PET scan in ACL, anterior cruciate ligament injury, based on artificial intelligence and data science. Knee joint. These are the ligaments of the knee joint which are going to see in upcoming slides. Knee joint. Knee joint is a synovial joint, the largest joint in a body, and it is a most complex joint. It is modified hinge joint. In addition to flexion and extension, a small amount of rotation of leg is possible in the flexed position of knee. It is a compound joint that includes two condylar joints between the femur and tibia and a saddle joint between the patella, lateral femoral tibial joint, medial femorotibial joint, femoropatellar joint. These are the various ligaments of knee joint: fibrous capsule, coronary ligament, ligamentum patellae, anterior cruciate ligament, posterior cruciate ligament, medial collateral ligament, fibular collateral ligament, oblique popliteal ligament, arcade popliteal ligament, medial meniscus, lateral meniscus, transverse ligament. Anterior cruciate ligament. This is the major ligament which is going to see in ACL graft. Anterior cruciate ligament is attached to the anterior aspect of superior surface of tibia, behind the anterior horn of medial meniscus and in front of anterior horn of lateral meniscus. It passes upwards and laterally to the posterior aspect of medial surface of lateral femorocondyle. ACL tear. The most commonly injured ligament in the human body is anterior cruciate ligament, that is ACL. The ACL is a tissue that connects the thigh bone, hip bone to the shin bone at knee. Most ACL injuries occur during certain sports such as basketball, football, rugby and tennis. This is an example of ACL tear. A common injury, that is torn ACL. Anterior cruciate ligament runs diagonally in the middle of the knee joint and helps to provide stability. A tear in the ACL, that is anterior cruciate ligament, is one of the most common knee injuries, especially for athletes in the high demand sports for football and basketball. Causes: stopping suddenly, direct blow to knee, slowing down while running, landing incorrectly. Symptoms: popping noise, paining and swelling, tenderness, decreased range of motion. There are various treatments. There are branching, physical therapy, rest, surgery to repair the ligaments. ACL graft, that is anterior cruciate ligament graft. ACL graft is a type of tissue used to create the new ACL ligament, that is anterior cruciate ligament. ACL reconstruction, that is anterior cruciate ligament construction, can be done several different graft choices. The most options include patellar tendon, hamstring tendon and donor tissue, that is allograft. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence na enna humans ku badala humans replace panni machines robotics பயன்படுத்தி பண்றதா artificial intelligence னு சொல்றோம். AI or artificial intelligence is a stability of the computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do a task that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence and discernment. Data science. Data science encompasses preparing data for analysis, including cleansing, aggregating and manipulating the data to perform advanced data analytics. Data science அப்படினா என்னன்னா நம்ம machines யூஸ் பண்ணி எடுக்கிற ஸ்கேனை நம்மளால கிளியரா பார்க்க முடியாதுங்கறனால data science or machine learning யூஸ் பண்ணி informations கலெக்ட் பண்றத data science னு சொல்றாங்க. PET scan. PET, position emission tomography scan, is a type of imaging test. It uses a radioactive substances called tracer to look for the disease in the body. A positron emission tomography scan shows how organs or tissues are working in the human body. How PET is used in ACL, that is anterior cruciate ligament. To use serial PET, positron emission tomography or MRI imaging to radiographically evaluate the metabolic activity of a ACL, that is anterior cruciate ligament graft over the first post-operative year. These are some examples of ACL tear. Here the data science is used in ACL graft from 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. These are the information collected using PET scan. There are several advantages in this scan. Some are the advantages of artificial intelligence in PET or CT scan are: double the diagnosis clarity. It is relatively painless procedure that measures both anatomy and metabolic functions, that is physiology, within the patient's body as imaging are captured in single scan. The actual scan only takes about half an hour to complete easy non-disruptive way. These are the some advantages mainly used for PET or CT scan. There are disadvantages in PET scan. The disadvantages using artificial intelligence in PET scan or CT scan are: even though the radioactive elements used in the scan are short-lived, it might cause some complications, especially to pregnant patients. Even though the radioactive components used in the scan are not long-lasting, it is still exposure to radioactive rays, which is not good, and which is also means there is only the number of times one can undergo PET imaging, that is positron emission tomography. Thank you. Thank you for spending time with me.